In the distance, you can see a plane flying towards it. It turns around, and then you can see the plane directly below the drone. A dangerous, reckless encounter. The FAA says it was made aware of the incident this afternoon, and they are investigating it.
Was this reckless footage captured by drone, or is it just another elaborate fake? Unfortunately, we think it's real.
Police are reviewing new video that has been posted on YouTube involving a drone dangerously flying over one of the busiest bridges in Metro Vancouver. Tom Walsh has the story.
A drone came within 16 feet of a potentially catastrophic collision with an Air France jet landing at Paris Charles de Gaulle Airport. The closest encounter yet between one of the remotely operated devices and a civil airliner. The Airbus Group SC A320, which can carry 150 people, was arriving when the pilot saw the drone on the plane's left-hand side.
This is the video that caught federal investigators' attention. Police say 18-year-old of Clinton, Connecticut, is the mastermind behind this homemade gun-mounted drone. The video posted to YouTube gained more than 1.7 million views. One person writing, quote, "Strange and a scary thought for someone to be using a drone to carry a firing gun."
It's happened again in the nation's busiest airspace, this time New York's JFK Airport. Just before 5 this afternoon, Delta Flight 407 arriving from Orlando was preparing to land when it suddenly had a very close call with an unmanned drone just 1,700 feet in the air.
All flights in and out of Gatwick, Britain's second busiest airport, have been suspended after 2 drones were seen flying near the runway. 10,000 passengers have been affected, with many facing long delays.
I'm not sure if you can hear, but flights are now taking off over us here at Heathrow Airport, which is good news because the runway here was shut down for just over an hour after a drone sighting this evening, and there will be a bit of a backlog, a bit of a delay because of that. Police were called in to investigate. The military was preparing to intervene as well. That hasn't been necessary. It seems to have been just a bit of a scare, and things are getting back to normal.
Drones are bad, okay? It's a bad thing to do drones, so don't be bad.
Don't you find it odd that there are never any positive stories regarding drones, quadcopters, or any other RC-related items in the news? It seems to focus on negativity, and it never talks about the connections that are made between people, whether it's through Facebook or other channels, and the fact that it helps with people's anxieties, depression, and mental illness. And they never talk about the fact that our main concern is the safety of the general public. All they focus on is the negative aspect. And I'm going to turn to one of my favourite icons to explain why that is.
You're watching the news, you're being pumped full of fear, cut to commercial, buy the Acura, buy the Colgate. If you have bad breath, they're not going to talk to you. If you got pimples, the girl's not going to f*** you. And it's just this, it's a campaign of fear and consumption. And that's what I think that it's all based on, is the whole idea that keep everyone afraid and they'll consume. Mm-hmm. And that's really as simple as it can be boiled down to.
Right.
So please, everybody, share this video to the public, because we now have the platform. Everybody has a voice. It's not just the news. And if we share enough of these videos, then the public can be informed that this is a fun thing and it's not dangerous and it helps a lot of people. Today, I'm going to be picking my buddy Pete up. We are going to a spot that has got some goalposts and some trees to fly around. I'm taking the Star Lord. By the way, check out my new FPV watch that I have got. It's made by Top Sky, and I thought I'd bring it along to see if it works. It has got a 2-inch screen, and it is 320 by 240, so that is 4x3, 48 channel, 300 milliamp battery. In fact, let me pull over. Yeah, so check it out. It came in this box and it says Merry Christmas, Happy New Year on it, and it's got a little mounting bracket as well if you want it to go on your transmitter. We've got a micro USB lead there for charging, and then we have got the opposite Velcro there, and we've got a little manual here as well, so pretty neat. Yeah, check it out. If I press both of these two buttons on the side here, then it says Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Banggood. And then we've got the band and the channel on the side there. We've got the little linear MMCX antenna. Pretty cool. Well, what time is it? It's time for flying.
That's what it's time for.
Look at that, man. Some skill. What do they say? Send it!
Send it, full throttle.
Oh man, that's going to look good. You got the camera going as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, straight through those trees, no problem.
Still nice and low, it's quite sporadic.
What about the other one? Can you get through it? Yeah. Wow, easy man, easy. Check out them chemtrails. That's for my mate Tony. What's your opinion on chemtrails? Load of garbage?
Oh, I don't know. What the post? What's the conspiracy about it?
Conspiracy is that the government are
supposed to be like chemicals.
Putting chemicals in the jet fuel, and it.
Do you know what, mate? It wouldn't surprise me.
Oh no!
It really wouldn't surprise me.
Tony, if you're listening to this, you've got another fan.
I'm sure the Earth is flat.
Oh, don't be. Oh man. Tony, meet Pete. That's a good flight you're doing. Tell you what, man, this is crystal clear, this watch thing. More chemtrails. Yeah, you can hear the sag, can't you? A little bit. Oh, I don't know there, man. Don't know.
Oh, I could there.
Yeah, 14 volts.
Yeah.
That's when I come in.
Oh god.
Good enough. before you shake my tune. I wanna watch you close. I need to see for sure. After the tape is through, who do you think we could show? I wanna watch the way you creep across my skull. You slowly enter, 'cause you know my room. Then you crawl your knees up, and then you shake my tune. I wanna watch the way you creep across my skull. You slowly enter, 'cause you know my room. Then you crawl your knees up before you shake my tune. You enter slowly. You know my room. You crawl your knees up, and then you shake my tune. I wanna watch the way you creep across my skull. You slowly enter, 'cause you know my room. Then you crawl your knees up before you shake my tune. You enter slowly. You know my room. You crawl your knees up, and then shake my tune.
GoPro's still going.
Yeah, yeah.
Thanks for that. Sorry.